In order to do circular motion, we need to remember that the objects are moving in a circle and they are therefore changing their velocity constantly. When the objects move in the circle, they do not go faster or slower, only the direction is going to change. In order to change this direction, we need to have an acceleration that is called centripetal. Centripetal acceleration, and that is abbreviated as AC. This acceleration always points towards the center of the circle. The formula to calculate the centripetal acceleration is going to be the square of the linear velocity divided by the radius. Remembering that the radius is the distance between the center of any circumference all the way to the edge of the circle. We should also remember that the circumference is going to be related to the radius. The bigger the radius, the greater the circumference is going to be, and it's going to be calculated by doing 2 pi r. The velocity is also going to be related. The linear velocity will be 2 pi r divided by the period, where the period, even though it's a t, it stands for period, and it always has to be a capital letter T. The period is going to be calculated with the time in seconds divided by the number of revolutions that the object is making. Therefore, it's going to be that the period is the time for one revolution. Time for one revolution. In case you need to manipulate the formula for acceleration, we can have, by manipulating and solving for v, we have that v is going to be the square root of the centripetal acceleration multiplied by the r, or we could be able to find the r, which is the radius, by doing the square of the velocity divided by the acceleration. And this is the basic formulas that we're going to be needing in order to solve circular motion problems.